Lace-O-Matic needs at least 3/4 of an inch of space between the eyelets when your runners are comfortably laced up to work. Start by lacing up your runners, but skip any connections to the shoe's tongues. Set up the laces just loosely enough to allow the feet to slip easily out of the shoes. Without changing the lace tension, knot the laces near the outside eyelets. Check to make sure the runners are still easily removable. Step 1. Position the tools with their arms facing away from each other and the grooved ends pointing toward the front of the shoes. Slide the first 5 laces deeply into the tool's grooves. They should go deeply enough into the groove to leave 1 inch of the tool's open grooved end free of laces and ready for the next step. Step 2. Put the left and right bases, which are marked with a left and right footprint, under the first 7 laces. Place the tools deeply enough into the front base holes to allow the other end of the tools to slide over towards the remaining base holes. Step 3. Line up the tools with the remaining holes and firmly insert till they click into place. Slide the Lace-O-Matics over towards the outside of the shoe. Step 4. Step into the runners for a test fitting. Tighten and lock the laces by swinging the tool arms over the bases and turning them under the couches to secure them. Walk around to test out the fit and then refer to the adjustment list to customize fitting.